Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Clary V, Mummy of 3. I hope you're all well. Hello if you're returning and welcome if you're new. So this is going to be a vlog that I'm doing all week long. If you know me, you know that I'm quite a clean and tidy person and I like my house just so, and I'm constantly doing housework and things. But I thought just lately I have been struggling to get into a good routine with everything. So I have heard of this method called the Organised Mum Method, thought up by another YouTuber, and she has some books out called Gemma Bray, and she's got a whole YouTube channel and I think a couple of books and an app and everything that you can look into if you want. But she has a housework schedule, the Organised Mum Method it's called. So I thought I would give that a go for a week and see how I get on with it, because it's apparently, I'm sorry this camera's a little bit better, I think so. So basically she has a method. I'll go through it with you, tell you what I'm going to be doing, and I will vlog it each day with what I do. And given her method, your house should always stay lovely and tidy and clean. And then like you have to do minimal housework at the weekends. I'm sorry, I'm doing a lot of flappy stuff with my arms, I'm realising. So basically I've written some notes down. So she divides the housework into like levels or tiers. So level 1 jobs are ones you do every day, and they are the minimum to keep your house in an orderly fashion. These shouldn't take you any more than 15 minutes a day. I guess that depends on how big your house is. I mean, I live in a nice size 2-bed masonette, but you know, I don't have a 5-bedroom house with extra rooms. So I guess it's gonna take, if you've got a bigger house, it might take you a bit longer on the daily than it does if you've got a smaller place. I also guess it depends on how much stuff you have, maybe. That's gonna depend on how long it takes you to do. But level 1 jobs, no more than 15 minutes, and that involves a quick top level tidy up, hoover the main walkway areas. That's the main area. So for me, that's going to be my hallway, my kitchen and my living room, and give the bathroom a wipe over. Bathrooms, we have 1 bathroom and we've got 5 people in the house, and Gemma Bray, she's got 5 people in her house, considerably more bathrooms than me. But because she's got 3 boys, she does her bathrooms every day, and that may not necessarily be a full-on clean of the bathroom every day, but a quick wipe over the sink and the toilet and something in the bathroom, so you could focus on a different area of the bathroom each day. So that's, oh, and make beds, that's in your 15 minutes, your level 1 jobs, make the beds. So, and then the level 2 the level 2 jobs are, you spend about 30 minutes on them, and they are like a daily rotation of rooms. So Monday would be the living room, Tuesday would be the bedrooms, Wednesday is the hall and stairs, Thursdays is the kitchen, and the Friday is left free for something that she calls the Friday focus, which I will come on to in a minute. So on Monday you would do a clean of the living room, which I guess would mean a full-on dust, hoover or mop if you've got hard floors, you know, clean the glass and things, and you know, the surfaces, wash any throws that you might have or pillowcases that you might have. And I probably won't do that every week because I don't think I need to every week. I tend to do that on a sort of a periodic thing anyway. And then Tuesdays would be the bedrooms, so you would change all the bed linen, hoover and dust your bedrooms and tidy them, so get rid of everything that doesn't belong in there. What I will do, I personally am going to switch the days around a little bit, because I've just done a big dust of my living room on Friday, but I always change my bed sheets at the weekend, so my bedrooms do need dusting. So I will flip the Monday and the Tuesday and do the bedrooms on Monday and the living room on Tuesday. Then Wednesday is hall and stairs, so I guess you just tidy anything in the hallway and stairs, give it a thorough hoover or mop as well if you've got hard floors, and give it a thorough dust. And guess I clean the windows as well, I suppose, if you can reach them. And then Thursday is your kitchen, so that would involve cleaning the floor and wiping down all the cabinets, giving your fridge a quick wipe out, your microwave if that needs doing, giving your oven a wipe out, cleaning the sink, the hob, giving your kitchen basically a thorough clean. which again, I guess depending on how big your kitchen is going to depend on how long it takes you, but it shouldn't take any more than 30 minutes. And she said if it takes longer than 30 minutes, stop at 30 minutes because you're going to be in that area again next week. And so I guess you could just get on top of it the following week. And then Friday is something called a Friday focus. So you'll do your level 1 jobs, and then on Friday you'll pick one of your rooms in your house, including the outdoor / garden space, to give a like a sort out of, like a more thorough clean, and like go through. So if you're doing like your kids' rooms, I suppose you'd go through their clothes to get out any that are getting too small, organise things. So more than just a tidy, just organise it. And then the theory is it works on like an 8-week rotation for the Friday. So where you'll do like week 1, it'll be the kids' rooms. Week 2 on a Friday, it'll be your room. So they go on a rotation, if that makes sense. So that eventually your house is just constantly on a housework rotation, so that everywhere's always clean and tidy. And the longer you do it, the cleaner and easier it is to keep your house clean. So I hope I haven't completely hashed up that explanation of how it works and how I'm going to be doing it. I might tweak it slightly, but I do think that's kind of what it's there for, is to be tweaked to suit you, because one size doesn't fit all with everything. So I'm going to do it Monday to Friday, let you know how I get on, and it may inspire you to try it out as well. Oh, another thing is also do 1 load of laundry every day. So I guess that depends as well if you've got a tumble dryer that you like to use, or if you've got airers. I don't have a tumble dryer, I have 2 clothes airers. So I used to do 2 loads every other day, and then it would give them like 2 days to dry. But I found that on the laundry day I was like inundated with so much washing to fold and put away and get washed and hung out, so that didn't work great. So I've tried now, I'm doing 1 load of laundry every day. If I've got sheets or towels, I hang them over the doors anyway to dry, so I can pop those in as extras. But the idea is if you do 1 load a day from like start to finish, like from washing to hanging out, folding and putting away. So I've started putting 1 load on a day, and then the next day my laundry load from the previous day will be dry. So while my other one's washing, I'm folding and putting that away so that I can hang that one out. So I'm just doing 1 load a day, if that makes sense. So that's another daily task. 1 load of laundry a day, and then your washing baskets should, in theory, not overflow and become unmanageable, because when you have an overflow of laundry, it is really difficult to get back on top of. If you know, then you know. I certainly know. I've experienced it more than once. Oh, and I will link her website in the description below, so that if you do want to go and obviously get a proper look at her website, she's got free printables or downloadable things, and her YouTube channel is really lovely as well. If you wanted to have a look at that, it might help you sort of understand it a bit better, because I am quite rambly and I don't always explain things very well.